Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. When you take off your shoes, do you smell something unpleasant? Have you ever been afraid to take your shoes off in front of someone for fear of a possible foot odor? If this sounds familiar to you, stay tuned, because we're going to help you solve this problem once and for all. This unpleasant odor is a consequence of the decomposition of keratin, which along with sweat feeds the bacteria that naturally live in the area. The recipe we will teach you is simple to make, and you can use it even when traveling. Here's how to make a bactericidal, antifungal, and antiseptic anti-foot odor spray to control excessive sweating and common foot odors. Write down the ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. It acts as an antifungal and balances the pH of the skin, preventing the proliferation of fungi and bacteria, removing bad odor from both feet and shoes. 50 milliliters of cleaning alcohol helps to reduce the presence of bacteria that proliferate when there is excessive sweating, causing bad odor. 15 drops of melaleuca oil. It has antiseptic, antifungal, antibacterial, parasiticidal, germicidal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It fights fungus and bacteria that cause bad smells in the feet and helps in the treatment of nail fungus and athlete's foot. Put all 3 ingredients in a spray bottle and shake well to mix. Spray it on your feet before putting on socks and shoes. You can also spray it inside your shoes. Also, to avoid bad odor on your feet, avoid staying too long with your feet covered by socks and shoes. Get into the habit of sanitizing your feet well. Dry your feet well before putting on socks and closed shoes. Avoid wearing socks and shoes for several consecutive days. Did you like to learn more about how to get rid of foot odor? If you watched the video so far, leave a comment so we know you liked the content. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends.